Working on the first panel of the deconstructed denim jacket that I am crocheting new little insets for. This panel that I started last night is going to be a checkerboard pattern using leftover sock yarn and fingering weight yarn from various projects. I was doing some wood chopping this weekend, so my hands are a little bit sore and I'm trying to take it slow, even though I'm super amped about the project and really just want to spend probably too much time crocheting and then cause worse hand injuries. Don't do that, folks. Take it from me, take it slow instead of breaking your wrist. Yes. So this project is inspired by magic overlay right here. These crocheted denim jacket combos that I've seen all over Pinterest. So what I've done is, in the last video you saw me chopping out the panels that I want to replace with crochet, and I saved those panels so that I can measure my pieces against them. I'm not writing down a pattern for this because I want this to just be fun, freeform, and kind of see where it takes me. The only thing I have in mind right now is that I want this panel that's going to run alongside the right side of the jacket along the buttons. I want this to be checkerboard. So this is actually the yarn that is left over, the green is the leftover from my ball gown, and then this is a white and blue speckle scrap yarn that a friend sent me in a scrap yarn trade. So all I'm going to be doing here is some crocheted color work, 3 stitches of single crochet in one color, switching to the next color, and going back and forth 3 rows, and then alternating the pattern for another 3 rows to make the little squares. It was pretty slow going last night. I have started a new job, which is really exciting, and like I said, the hand injuries not as exciting. So I really just tried to enjoy the process, watch as the speckles appeared in the white sections, and just really enjoyed working back and forth between the 2 yarns. Normally, I would be clipping along a lot faster, but again, trying to be nice. After about an hour and a half, I had a really good chunk of this panel done. I'm actually down to the last 2 rows here in this video, you'll see. And the checkerboard pattern has appeared. I've got this sweet little sleeping ginger cat here on my lap, making it difficult. I don't know if you could tell, but his paw is on the ball of white yarn, which was making it very difficult to continue stitching. So it's resulting in this very cute checkered gingham type pattern. I love it. I think it's very of the moment with all the Gen Z checkerboard vibes and aesthetics that are happening right now. I have no idea what I'm gonna do in the next panel. I definitely don't want to do another checkerboard right away. It was slow going, and with the painfulness of my hands, not into it. So if you have suggestions for patterns I should do, motifs or squares, there's definitely going to be granny squares in it. I'm thinking that's probably where I'm going to go next, do the shoulder sections with granny squares. But hey, drop your comments below with suggestions. Stay crafty.